Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I made Cuban black beans and rice. Sometimes they're called Congri or Moros y Cristianos. It's very tasty. Let's make them. So to a hot pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I have 1/4 of an onion and 2 garlic cloves. I'm going to chop them up really small, like this. And I'm going to add them to my pan. So now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sofrito. Sofrito is a common staple that they add to a lot of Caribbean food. You can buy it at the market in the Hispanic section in a jar. And now I'm adding 1.5 cups of rice. I'm going to mix all my ingredients together. And these are some spices. I added 1 teaspoon each: salt, pepper, oregano, and cumin. I'm going to mix that together. And this is 1 can, 15 ounces of black beans. Do not rinse the beans. It gives it a beautiful dark color. So I'm mixing the beans together. Now I'm going to add some water. 1.5 cups of water. I know that normally it's a 2-to-1 ratio when it comes to making rice. Not in this recipe. Follow the instructions and you won't go wrong. So there is some liquid in the can of beans. So realize that that makes up for it. So now I'm just going to mix this together. I'm going to add a bay leaf just to give it a little extra flavor. And I'm going to bring this up to a boil. Okay, so I'm going to wait till it starts to really bubble. And then I'm going to lower it to a simmer, cover it, and leave it for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, turn off the fire, leave the lid still on. Let it just sit there for an extra 5 minutes just to make sure it's completely cooked. And after that 5 extra minutes, you're going to have a delicious side dish. Do remember that you got to remove that bay leaf. And this is a great side dish. It's all in one: Cuban black beans and rice. Moros y Cristianos, or Congri. They call it all different names. I just call it delicious. So these are my Cuban black beans and rice. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.